ROFFS analyst James here, and it is currently Monday, January 30th, 2023. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Today we'll be taking a quick look at the ocean conditions from the west coast of Florida, along Alabama and Louisiana to the east coast of Texas using imagery from late last week. Overall, we continue to observe the larger clockwise rotating loop current eddy formation to the south of Mobile Bay. This eddy formation has recently begun to elongate to the northeast and southwest as a counterclockwise rotation has developed to the west of the loop current, pulling some of this warmer water to the southwest. As a result of this, the larger counterclockwise rotating eddy formation that we had been observing to the north of the loop current eddy, centered near the DeSoto Canyon, has dissipated over the past week. This has resulted in two smaller counterclockwise rotating eddy formations, as you can see here. These two smaller eddies were split in two as a clockwise rotating eddy formation developed, centered over the DeSoto Canyon area. As a result, we are seeing a majority of the warmer water pushing into the ledge near the Vioscanol area and east towards the area off of the Alabama Alps. And then some relatively unstable water moving southeast off of the Florida Middle Grounds to here before moving offshore of Tampa by the larger loop current eddy as it rotates. We also continue to observe the overall offshore flow of water southwest of the Mississippi River to the east of the Flower Gardens area as a result of the older loop current eddy that continues to move west towards the western Gulf area. This older loop current eddy in the western Gulf has continued to pull cooler water offshore near the South Padre Island towards the U.S. and Mexico border. As you can see, lots of cooler water moving offshore here. This has resulted in a smaller counterclockwise rotating eddy formation off of Aransas Bank. This smaller eddy is pushing some warmer, bluer water inshore of the ledge near the East Breaks as far as the Aransas Bank area off here. In the southeast, you can see the loop current continues to move right into the Florida Straits pretty quickly, with a couple of these filaments being pulled off by that smaller counterclockwise rotation. If we take a look at our ocean color imagery, you can see some of these features in detail as well, like the larger loop current eddy formation south of Mobile and west of Tampa, as well as the two smaller counterclockwise eddy formations here and the bluer, warmer water getting pushed in towards the Vioscanol area by the clockwise rotating eddy. Again, the blue-green to greener water moving offshore southwest of the Mississippi River, with the blue water being pulled into the East Breaks area by the smaller counterclockwise rotating eddy here. Remember, these ocean conditions are always changing, so be sure to head to ROFFS.com or call our office at 321-723-5759 to order updated analyses for each of these areas. Our office hours are 9 to 5, Monday through Friday until May. Have a good week, everyone.